In this part of our learning course, we want to teach you after drawing tools. After you draw your plant, software will give you some tools which you can use them. For example, when you use Doct, some tools are enabled. So I want to tell you about these two tools. For example, I changed the dot from round to rectangular, so the enabling of tools have changed. So I want to tell you about these two tools. You suppose, for example, you have one duct down here. I select this duct and depend on which level it has 2 feet height, depend on level 1, estimately 10 feet. When I select create similar, I draw one duct here in estimately 8 feet. I want to tell you about these in 3D view. These are our ducts. Their height are different from each other. We want to connect these two. We have two methods. One method is by slope, and another method is without making a slope. Straightly one horizontal line and then go downward. So I select the duct, use add vertical. I put these two windows with each other to see better. Use this tool, and automatical connect is active like this. It connects to another duct vertically. I use another one, change its slope, so they connect in slope. The connection is tapped. I have to increase the size of this duct. So these tools are very important and very useful. I remove this, and for here too. Our rest of our tools is when we select more than one duct, and design to fabrication is enabled now. And what is the routing solutions? When this tool will activate, I remove the spaces. To better explain to you, I go to view template, which I made, and I use S to find the spaces, and I uncheck this one, and also HVAC zones. Apply. I have to, because the tags will hide, so I use another type. Go to select all, check filter, check none, and just spaces, and leave the tags like this. We have the temporary hide isolate tool here, and hide element. our tags were gone. So this is the temporary. These green, blue-green window means temporary. When you use apply, so it is not temporary and it is eternal. And reveal hidden elements. You can see all hidden elements. And we use unhide and then close revolve. It was a good one. This was a good tool. Now I want to select these three dots and I use routing solutions tool. It gives you different routes. You can, like this, you can use these shape. Okay, for example, when you have column here and your dot will could make a problem with this column. For example, this one. So other equipments will adopt with these solutions. Okay, it gives you what is the placeholders. So this is the linear solution. Okay, but I don't want this, and we will talk about it later.